did not answer that. But before I get in the BJP and Eastern, Dr. Ranganathan, you've heard Ravi Srivastava go on a rant against Ajit Doval. He's blamed Doval for terrorist attacks and given a clean sheet to Pakistan. The second aspect is about what Siddharth Sharma said, but we'll come to that a little later. I want to understand, what do you make of what we've heard?
Good evening, Pranesh, and good evening to my fellow panelists. It is certainly very disturbing. The normally erudite and circumspect Mr. Ravi Srivastava ji going on this absolutely unhinged rant. I would like to give away 15 seconds of the time allotted to me to him to at least apologize, have the decency to apologize to the country for saying that Mr. Doval is responsible for the parliament attack? Is this what this kind of retributive spitefulness has reduced us to? He is directly alleging someone in whose hands our security has rested wonderfully well for the last 10 years, 11 years, for perpetrating one of the most ghastly attacks on Indian democracy. I did not expect this from Raviji, and I hope he would apologize for that.
Not happened,
and it
44 CRPF personnel were killed, and till date you do not know who brought that.
No, so Doval did that. Doval is behind
was
Pulwama.
Doval
Ravi Srivastava-
responsible for the parliament attack? What kind of shamelessness is this, Raviji? I did not expect this from you.
Who killed 26 people there in Pahalgam? You could not trace them. What kind of an NSA we have got? Isn't that a performance of him? Has he not been sacked? Why somebody has not been sacked yet? I am asking a question.
Okay, Dr. Ranganathan.
Now can I? Yes.
Your
now-
expectations
now,
are too much.
I admit, and what I also am going to say out here is with complete seriousness, it leaves me with absolutely no doubt that people like Ravi ji would have blamed Hindus for the 26/11 attack. It was completely primed. Now please mute him. It was, now you've seen a man who can blame the NSA for parliament attack, for Kandahar. I am in no doubt that had Kasab not been caught alive, people like Ravi ji would have blamed RSS, would have blamed Hindutva, would have blamed Hindus for perpetrating the worst massacre on Hindus. I have no doubt at all. This is the kind of partisanship that exists in our country and polarization. Now let me come to the hub of the issue. The most important aspect we need to learn from here is that was all the objectives of Operation Sindoor successful? It's a simple yes and no answer. And the answer is an emphatic yes. Now, all those people who are saying, now there was one AAP person who was being sarcastic. I mean, yes, I do applaud sarcasm coming from Aam Aadmi Party of all people saying, हमें पाकिस्तान occupied Kashmir क्यों नहीं लिया? ये वही लोग हैं ना जो कि डाउट कर रहे थे कि सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक्स हुई हैं. आज कह रहे हैं पीओके लेना चाहिए था. कुछ शर्म बाकी है कि नहीं? कल को कहेंगे अक्साई चीन भी ले लो, चाइना पे अटैक कर दो. ना कोई ना सर ना पैर, जो मन में आया बोल दिया, उसके बाद शूट एंड स्कूट करके भाग गए. Let me come to the nub of the issue. As I said, 4 objectives were there, and all 4 of them cleared with flying marks. The first one was, from now on the doctrine is of attack on us, terror attack will be an act of war. Number 2, keeping the Indus Water Treaty in abeyance. As I've said it again, it is Modi's finest hour to have done so. I don't know why we didn't do it decades ago. Is utterly shameful for us as a country. Number 3, the fact of the matter is that from now on we have not once but twice called out the woeful bluff, nuclear bluff of Pakistan. First it happened in Pulwama, and now it has happened again. Number 4, we have, Pranesh, please understand, we've not only attacked the terror hubs in Pakistan, deep inside mainland Pakistan, not just Pakistan occupied Kashmir, but also 11 of their air bases. And we have shown to our countrymen the splendid manner in which we have our air defense systems intact. So when all these 4 objectives were confirmed and tick marked, who are we as civilians, as panelists, to doubt the success of Operation Sindoor? मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूं इन लोगों से.
Maybe we are part of some toolkit, who knows?